sum of the zeros of x square minus 4. First, let us try to write the given polynomial in its general form. So, the general form of quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c. So, the given polynomial, if you try to write in this form now, x square I am writing it as 1x square, and in the given polynomial x term is not there. So, that's why I am writing it as 0x, and constant is given as minus 4. So, minus 4. Now, here x square coefficient is a and x coefficient is b and constant is c. Now in the question he is asking us to find the sum of the zeros, right? So sum of the zeros formula is minus b by a. So minus as it is, b is 0 divided by a is 1, which is equals to, for 0 negative won't be there, so it is simply 0 by 1. 0 by anything is 0. Check whether 2, 3 are zeros of the given polynomial x square minus 5x plus 6. Simply what we need to do is just substituting this given numbers one by one in the place of x. So let us take the polynomial x square minus 5x plus 6. Now in the place of x I am substituting 2. So 2 square minus 5 into 2 plus 6 as it is. 2 square is 4 minus 5 2s are 10 plus 6 as it is. Now here 4 plus 6 is 10. And this minus 10 as it is. So 10 minus 10 is 0. If our final answer is 0, then we can say that this 2 is a 0 of the given polynomial. Now moving to the next number, that is 3. The given polynomial is x square minus 5x plus 6. Now substituting 3 in the place of x. So it is 3 square minus 5 into 3 plus 6. 3 square 9 minus 5 3s are 15 plus 6 as it is. 9 plus 6, 15 minus 15 as it is. 15 minus 15, 0. As again our answer is 0, so we can say that 3 is a 0 of the given polynomial. So finally we can say that 2, 3 both are zeros of the given polynomial. Find a quadratic polynomial whose zeros are 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. To find a quadratic polynomial when zeros are given or else sum and product of the zeros are given, the formula is k into x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. So he said very clearly that these are zeros, right? So one we will be taking as alpha and another I am taking as beta. So substituting now, k into x square minus alpha is 1 by 2 plus beta is 1 by 3 times x plus alpha beta, that is 1 by 2 times 1 by 3. So here k into x square minus, first simplifying inside the bracket, 1 3s are 3 plus 2 1s are 2 divided by 2 3s are 6, x as it is plus 1 1s are 1 by 2 3s are 6, closing it. Now if you observe this line here, okay, first let me simplify further. X square minus 3 plus 2 is 5 into 6, x plus 1 by 6. Here denominator is 6, here also denominator is 6, but whereas in this x square denominator is not there, so that's why I can write it as 1. So now to make all the denominators as 6, I'll multiply this first term with a 6. So it will be like now k of x square into 6, it is 6x square minus this is 5 into x 5x plus 1 whole divided by 6 now. So to remove this denominator 6, I will take the k value as a 6 now. So if k equals 6, substituting 6 in the place of k now, 6 of 6x square minus 5x plus 1 divided by 6, so it will be 6 cancel, so the remaining is our quadratic required polynomial, 6x square minus 5x plus 1. If p of x equals to 3x square minus 2x plus 6, then find its sum and product of the zeros. First let us compare the given quadratic polynomial with our general form, 3x square minus 2x plus 6. Comparing with ax square plus bx plus c, which is a general form of quadratic polynomial. Here a means 3, b is minus 2 and c is 6. So now he is asking us to find out the sum and product of the zeros, right? So sum is alpha plus beta, product is alpha into beta. So to find out the sum, we have a formula that is minus b by a, which is equals minus as it is, and here b value is minus 2 divided by a value is 3 equals minus into minus plus, so 2 by 3 is the sum of the zeros. Whereas coming to product of the zeros formula is c by a equals, c is constant, here constant is 6 divided by a is 3, so 6 by 3 is 2. So sum of the zeros is 2 by 3 and product of the zeros is 2. Write a quadratic equation whose roots are the solutions of 2x plus y equals 7 and x minus y equals 2. Now, this is a connecting type of question to the pair of linear equations and quadratic equations. So here, first let us try to solve these two equations. 2x plus y equals 7 and x minus y equals 2. I am going with the elimination method here. Plus y minus y cancel, so I am adding both the equations here. 2x plus x, it is 3x equals 7 plus 2 is 9. Taking 3 to the right side, x equals 9 by 3, which is equals 3. So x value is 3. Now substituting this x value in any one of the equation, I am taking the second equation, that is x minus y equals 2. In the place of x, substituting 3 minus y as it is equals 2. Taking minus y to the right side and 2 to the left side. So it will be now y equals 3 minus 2, which is 1. So the y value I got it as 1. Now what is asking exactly in the question is, write a quadratic equation now where these two answers are our zeros now. So taking one as alpha and one as beta. So I got here x value as 3 and y value as 1, right? So this I am taking as alpha and this I am taking as beta. You can take in reverse also, anyway you will get the same answer. So now he is asking us to find out a quadratic equation, right? So let us take the formula k of x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. Substituting k into x square minus alpha is 3 plus beta is 1 into x plus alpha is 3 into beta is 1. So it will be like k into x square minus 3 plus 1 is 4 into x, 4x plus 3 into 1 is 3. Here there is no denominator, so that's why take the k value as 1. If k equals 1, it will be like 1 into x square minus 4x plus 3. So if you multiply with 1, there won't be any change. So write the polynomial as it is, x square minus 4x plus 3. Now whatever we got, this is a polynomial, right? But in the question he is asking about the equation, right? So what we will do is x square minus 4x plus 3, make it equal 0. Then it will become a quadratic equation. Mean of x plus y observations is x minus y. Find the sum of all observations. We know the mean formula, x bar equals to sum of observations divided by number of observations. So in this question he said very clearly the mean of x plus y observation. So it means number of observations are in number of x plus y. And mean is given as x minus y. So in the place of mean, writing x minus y. Now he is asking us to find out the sum of observations, right? So this is unknown now. Sum of observations. Now here this denominator I will take to the left side. So denominator, if I am taking on another side, it will become multiplication. So sum of observations equals x minus y times x plus y. Here two terms are there, so that's why bracket is must and should. Now x minus y into x plus y, it is in the form of a minus b into a plus b, right? Nothing but a square minus b square. So x minus y into x plus y equals x square minus y square. In a rhombus ABCD, AB equals 5 centimeter, then find the value of AC square plus BD square. So let us take a rhombus ABCD. In that one of the sides AB is given as 5 centimeters. There is asking to find AC square and BD square, right? So AC is one of the diagonals and BD is another diagonal. So he is asking us to find out the sum of the squares of the diagonal. So what exactly there is the relationship between the sides of a rhombus and diagonals of a rhombus? Of course, yes, it is. Side of a rhombus equals under root diagonal 1 square plus diagonal 2 square divided by 2. So here side is given as 5. So 5 equals under root diagonal 1 square plus diagonal 2 square divided by 2. Now taking 2 to the left side. So here it is division. If I take another side, it will be multiplication now. 5 times 2 is 10, which is equals under root d1 square plus d2 square. To remove the square root, I will do squaring on both the sides. So it will be like 10 square and here square. So square root will get cancelled, then 10 square is 100, 100 equals to d1 square plus d2 square. So that is nothing but sum of the squares of the diagonals is 100. If sec theta equals x by cos theta, then find the value of x. Now first I am taking this cos theta to the left side. Here it is division. If I take another side, it become multiplication. So sec theta into cos theta equals x. In this step itself, we can say secant and cos both are reciprocals to each other. So the answer is 1. Otherwise, sec theta I am writing it as 1 by cos theta into cos theta as it is equals x. So here cos theta cancel. So we remains with x value as 1. Simplify sec a plus tan a into 1 minus sin a. Sec a can be written as 1 by cos a plus tan a can be written as sin a by cos a into the second one I am writing as it is 1 minus sin a. Now here in the first one, both the denominators are same, right? So add the numerators. It will be 1 plus sin a divided by cos a times 1 minus sin a as it is. Now if we observe this numerator and this part, these two are 1 plus sin a into 1 minus sin a in the form of a plus b into a minus b, right? So a plus b into a minus b is nothing but a square minus b square. So 1 plus sin a into 1 minus sin a can be written as 1 square minus sin square a by denominator as it is equals 1 square is 1 minus sin square a divided by cos a, which is equals, what is 1 minus sin square a? It is cos square a divided by cos a as it is. So here for cos a, the square will cancel. So we remains with cos a. HCF of 135 and 225 by prime factorization. So first let us do the prime factorization of the numbers individually. 135 comes in 5 tables. So 5 27 times. 27 comes in 3 tables. 3 9s are again 3 3s are. Now moving to the next number 225. It also comes in 5 table. So 5 45 times. 5 9 times. 3 3s are. So if we make it 135 equals 5 into 3 into 3 into 3, whereas 225 equals 5 into 5 into 3 into 3. Now circle the common numbers. Here 5 is common, 3 is common, one more 3 is also common. So the HCF of these two numbers will be 5 is common, write it once, 3 is common, write it once, one more 3 is common, write it once. So 5 3s are 15, 15 3s are 45. So the HCF of 135 and 225 is 45. Find the surface area of a ball whose diameter is 7 centimeters. Here he is speaking about the ball. So ball is in the shape of a sphere. Sphere surface area we need to find out. So sphere curved surface area as well as total surface area both are same. So surface area of sphere equals to 4 pi r square, which is equals 4 as it is, pi substituting 22 by 7 into, we have r square, that is radius, right? But in the question diameter is given as 7. Then what will be the radius? It will be half of the diameter. So 7 by 2. But in the formula we have r square, right? So 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. 7 cancel. Here 2 2s are 4 and this 4 cancel. So we remains with 22 times 7, which is equals 154. We are finding area and all the units are in centimeters. So our final answer will be 154 centimeters square. If 2x minus ky plus 3 equals 0 and 4x plus 6y minus 5 equals 0 have no solution, then find the value of k. Here he clearly mentioned that these two linear equations have no solution. So no solution means these two are parallel lines. So what is the condition for parallel lines? A1 by A2 equals B1 by B2 not equals C1 by C2. Now here, first equation if you observe, x coefficient is A1, y coefficient is B1 and this is constant C1. And in the second equation, this is A2, this is B2 and this is C2. Now let us substitute in our formula. So A1 is 2 divided by A2 is 4 equals B1 is minus K divided by B2 is 6 which is not equals C1 is 3 divided by C2 is minus 5. Now here these two are equals to each other, right? So I am going to do cross multiplication of these two here. So 2 times 6 is 12 equals minus K into 4 minus 4K. I need to find out the K value, right? So taking minus 4 this side. So then K equals 12 divided by minus 4 which is minus 3. Curved surface area of a cone is given as 4070 centimeters square and its diameter is 70 centimeters. Then he's asking us to find its L nothing but slant height. So what is the formula for curved surface area of a cone? CSA of a cone is pi RL. So here curved surface area of a cone is given as 4070. So under CSA of a cone I am substituting 4070 which is equals pi value we know that is 22 by 7 times radius. In the question diameter is given as 70, then radius will be half of the 70. So R is 70 by 2 into L is unknown which we need to find out. Now I need to find out L value, so that's why I am taking everything else to the left side now. So 4070 as it is, 22 by 7 if I take to the left side it will become reciprocal, so that is 7 by 22 into 70 by 22 also I am taking left side, right? So 70 by 2 will become reciprocal, that is 2 by 70 which is equals L. Now here 0 0 will get cancelled, 2 1s are 2 11s are, here 7 7 cancel and 11 table we will get 407. So 11 1s are 11, 11 3s are 33, so 11 7s are 77. So slant height of the cone is 37. In the question every measurement is in centimeters, so this is also centimeters. Mary told her daughter, 7 years ago I was 7 times as old as you were. Also 3 years from now I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. Find their present ages. So in these two persons are there, right? One is Mary and the next one is her daughter. So let the present age of Mary I am taking as X. The same way let the present age of her daughter is Y. Now what he said in the second statement? 7 years ago. So first let us find out what will be their ages 7 years ago. 7 years ago or 7 years back, both are same. So Mary's age as well as daughter's age. The present age of Mary is X, right? Then 7 years back it will be X minus 7. Present age of daughter is Y, right? So 7 years back her age will be Y minus 7. Now what is the condition he gave? 7 years ago I was, here who is I means Mary is saying, right? So Mary was 7 times as old as you were. Here you means daughter. So Mary was 7 times as old as her daughter used to be. So Mary X minus 7 equals 7 times of her daughter. So Mary's age was 7 times of her daughter's age. Let us try to simplify this first, so we will get one equation. So now it will be X minus 7 equals 7 into Y, 7Y minus 7, 7s are 49. I am taking 7Y to the left side, so minus 7Y become plus 7Y minus 49 as it is minus 7 to the right side. So it will be X minus 7Y equals minus 42. This is equation number 1. Now what is the second condition he gave then? 3 years from now. So it means after 3 years. sometimes instead of giving this after word, he will give this hence also. So anyway, both are same, that means after only. So the age of Mary as well as age of her daughter. Mary we took as a present age as x, right? So after 3 years she will be x plus 3, and daughter's age, the present age we took as y, so after 3 years it will be y plus 3. Now what is the condition he said then? After 3 years I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. So here Mary is speaking, right? So Mary shall be 3 times as old as her daughter will be. So Mary's age equals, Mary is x plus 3 equals 3 times of her daughter will be. Let us try to simplify this further. X plus 3 equals 3 into y, 3y plus 3 3s are 9. Here x as it is, I am taking 3y to the left side, so plus 3y becomes minus 3y. 9 as it is, plus 3 I am taking right side, it becomes minus 3. X minus 3y equals 9 minus 3 is 6, and this is the equation number 2. Now let us try to solve these two equations. First equation we got as x minus 7y equals to x minus 7y equals minus 42, and the second equation is x minus 3y equals 6. I am subtracting these two equations. So if I am subtracting means second equation all the symbols will change. So plus x becomes minus x, minus 3y becomes plus 3y, plus 6 becomes minus 6. So here plus x minus x cancel, minus 7y plus 3y, it is minus 4y equals minus 42 minus 6 minus 48. Both the sides negative symbol cancel, remains with 4y equals 48. From this y equals 48 by 4. 48 by 4 is nothing but 12. So y is 12. Now substituting this y value in any one of the equations, I am taking the second equation, that is x minus 3y equals 6. X minus 3y equals 6. X as it is minus 3 into y is 12, which is equals 6. X minus 12 3s are 36 equals 6. Now taking minus 36 to the right side, so x equals to 6 plus 36, so x is 42. X value we got as 42 and y value we got as 12. So what we took earlier, x and y, means x is Mary's present age and y is daughter present age. So Mary's present age 42 and daughter's present age is y, right? So y value we got as 12.